Now y'all see my bangs before we get started? Yes, it is time to refresh and renew. These bangs are getting out of control. Hey guys, welcome back. What's up, subbies? And I want to say hello to all the newbies that may be checking me out for the very first time. I just want everybody to come on in. Today is going to be another quickie. So you know that I talked about, it's basically going to be a follow-up to the video I did last week, okay? Now y'all see my bangs before we get started? Yes, it is time to refresh and renew. These bangs are getting out of control. They're very, very long. I like them to be right about here to my nose, just reach the bridge of my nose, but it's past and the sides are really long, and we go and shape them up and get them right. But anyway, that's enough about my bangs. Don't even look at them. Okay, so anyway, I have a little update. So I'm going to tell you all about the successful pickup that I had and then the one letdown that I had, okay? Last week, or the video prior, we were talking about Aubrey's, okay? Aubrey Organics GPB conditioner. This is a conditioner, and for all those who are late to class and just found a seat, this is a conditioner that we talked about where it's a protein-based conditioner, but it's all natural. And for those who are looking for something as far as adding a little protein to your hair diet, this may be something you may want to look into, just putting it out there, just as another thing, as another option, okay, as far as the products that are out there. This was a blast from the past, okay, basically, that I was bringing into the future. It's been around for a long time, and it's basically stood the test of time. For a lot of people it helped, and, just wanted to put it out there. So anyway, I was on a mission. I told y'all that after I was finished recording, I was going to use the Aubrey's. And so I used the Aubrey's. Okay, I did my hair that night. Instead of the Theory conditioner, I used the GPB conditioner. And everything else was the same. So I wanted to come in here and show you guys my recent zhuzh, okay, if you will, and everything looks and feels good. We're a week out, okay, from me using it. But anyway, I just wanted to come in here and show you guys as a follow-up that it still holds its weight. It still holds rank as far as the conditioners that I really like for my hair, okay? So I have the shine, okay, and I still have the movement. It's not a real heavy conditioner where you feel like you're shellacking or basically weighing down your hair. Like I said, it's all natural ingredients, and I used it. I only had a sliver, I only had a little dollop, a couple of dollops left, but I made it last. And I put a little, put in it, worked it through my hair as usual. The comb out was pretty decent. I didn't have a hard time combing it through. Again, it's almost time for me to relax my hair again. So that was a good test as well. Whether I was able to comb through, even with my new growth, comb through my hair without a whole lot of issues. And this was the case where I didn't have a lot of issues. So yeah, it's still light, there's no real, okay, so I still have the shine and the bounce. We like bounce over here, okay? We like body and bounce and all that good stuff. So anyway, so we got the shine and the bounce, okay? And what I will say, I know you guys remember, again, for all those who are initiated, all those who are not new over here, I've been talking about the last couple of times where my hair has felt drier, okay? Now, I already know that as I get closer to relaxer day, I relax my hair every 7 to 8 weeks, and the closer I get to the 8 weeks, the drier my hair gets. That's just me. My hair just feels really parched. So I'm very careful with it. So with that being said, I believe that, and as well as the weather, it's been windy and just a whole lot of stuff, okay? So my hair has been feeling a little drier. And like I said, I just think it's good to have something in your arsenal, your regimen, that you can sort of go to when you have those moments, because everybody's going to have those moments, you know, where your hair feels drier or you feel like it needs this or less of that. So like I said, I turned to Aubrey's and I wanted to come in here and show you the results that I think are pretty consistent with everything else that I've been using, okay? So no hiccups there, as well as what I remember it doing to my hair. It feels a lot softer. It does feel softer to me, okay? And yeah, it's just a little punch, you know, it's just a little punch that I needed as far as upping the ante on the moisturization, if you will, for my hair. So I wanted to just show you guys, okay? So that's what we're working with, okay? That's the Aubrey's GPB. My hair feels hydrated. It feels invigorated. It feels like every time. Not exactly. But you get my gist, okay? You get my drift. It basically feels good, okay? It feels good. And like I said, there's no hiccups. It just fell right in line as far as what I was looking for and what it was able to give me and my hair. So needless to say, I was on a mission to re-up. I said I was going to re-up and get a new bottle since I had finished the old bottle. So that's what I was going to do. So this weekend, I went about doing it. So I went to visit, you know, my little Whole Foods store, okay? So I went up in there, you know, all happy, and I asked where the shampoos and conditioners were, and I went down the aisle, and I literally looked high and low, okay? I looked on the top shelf, looked on the middle shelf, I looked on the shelves, and I could not find it, okay? They did not have it at my Whole Foods. So instead of me leaving empty-handed, I grabbed a bottle of black strap molasses, okay? Now again, for all those who are initiated, you know that I talked about black strap molasses, how it has a lot of vitamins and minerals in it that's good for our overall health as well as our hair. And as well as it helps to stave off grays, okay? Now I got a little more pop-ups going on, popping off. You know, some more silver streamers, you know, streaming along in my crown, which, you know, I really don't have a huge issue with. I really don't. I had already planned on, you know, re-upping on that. So I figured I'd pick that up since I was already there. So that's what I did. So I picked up a bottle of the Plantation, and the brand doesn't matter, you know. That I'm just saying what I bought. It's by Plantation Blackstrap Unsulfured Molasses, okay? Unsulfured. That's the one that I got. Make sure that you guys can see it. I got the unsulfured molasses, and again, I just prefer the unsulfured versus the sulfured. Again, it's really no issue with getting either. I get the unsulfured because that way there's no sulfur added, and it's already using mature cane, okay? It's already using mature sugar cane as opposed to the regular blackstrap molasses, okay, that has sulfur added. The sulfur that's added helps to mature immature cane, so it ages it, you know, it pushes that aging process, it speeds that up. But this one is already naturally aged, meaning the sugar cane, and it's ripe for the molasses making. So instead of having that added, I just get the unsulfured. Get whatever you please, okay? But I just wanted to show you what I got, and this is the bottle. Never had this particular brand before. I think I told you that I used to get it from Trader Joe's. They don't sell it anymore. So I just got this. So yeah, I'll be imbibing, you know, this and adding that to certain things. So there's that. So after that, I said, you know, I'm feeling a little, you know, I'm feeling a little spunky. I went across the way and went to the Target, otherwise known as Target, okay. I went to Target and I re-upped on just my Garnier shampoo, okay, just the Garnier shampoo. And I just got the big bottle this time because it just seems like I'm always running through it. So I just got the big old, whatever, 30 whatever it is. And I just grabbed that. So that's Big Bertha. And you know we're on our way of doing another touch-up soon. And you know that, right? So there's that as well. So the weekend wasn't a total wash, okay? So I did have those 2 pickups. But I did have that one letdown. So yeah, I wasn't able to grab the Aubreys, but I'm still going to, I'll probably just get it online. I'll probably get it from their site. I don't know of a vitamin shop near me. I was going to check one other source. But again, if anyone's interested, I'll have the website to the company below. I know one of you guys, and you know who you are, one of you guys brought up that you heard that maybe the new formula wasn't as great as the old formula, because again, I finished the bottle of the old formula. So I'm going to check and make sure that the ingredients pretty much match up. It shouldn't be too far off. I know that the new one has like vanilla added, and the other one has like rosemary, peppermint, or whatever, which is going to really help stimulate your scalp. So I told you I was going to dive into it. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to find it and I'm going to procure it and I'm going to test it out. And I'm going to come back to you guys as far as this newer version of the old product. Okay. GPB. So I just wanted to come in here and give you guys a quick update, a quick check-in as far as the products. And I wanted to show you, okay, because you know I keep my word up in this piece. I said I was going to show you what I was working with after using it, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. I wanted to show you, don't mind the straggly, raggedy bangs, okay? We're going to get them in shape. I'm talking about the hair, the look of the hair. I'm talking about the feel of the hair and all that good stuff. Like I said, it left it pretty much in line with what I'm looking for and what I am used to. Again, I remember it doing well for my hair, okay, for my hair. But, you know, again, I will come back in here once I have the new bottle. I'm going to show you all that and show you the results from the newer formula. So, yeah, so I told you this was a quickie. And again, I keep my word up in this piece. I wanted to let you know what's going on. You know, we try to keep everybody informed. So now that you are informed and we're all informed, I think we can put a button on it. So I think we're all caught up around here. What do you think? I think that's the case. Okay. So with that being said, we were in and out. Okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. You already know that. We got stuff to talk about. We getting it in, okay? Because it ain't nothing but a hair party over here, okay? Because we celebrate and we congratulate and we get it in. We tried these products and we getting our regimen. We already got our regimen together, right? So anyway, y'all gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.